Sunil here from Exterior Clean in Melbourne and our Clean. As you can see here, we're working on a body corporate facility here today, so multiple units. You can see this Bluestone is really mouldy. This is actually the disabled access, and you can see how slippery it has become because of the last fellow, you can see, did his best to try and pressure clean it, but pressure cleaning unfortunately does not work in these circumstances. So what we're going to be doing is soft washing this whole area, and then basically we will follow through with a pressure clean on the Bluestone pavers. You can see how bad these steps are, and then of course I will be washing this render for them as well as an experiment. You can see how badly the render started to chip away, and they've got a bit of a building dispute going on here at the moment because it's not that old, these units. So we'll be doing all of these stairs down through here. What you're seeing here is efflorescence that's out of the calcium deposit in the grout. So that is not something that we're tackling, but we are tackling all the organic growth through here. So we're just blowing up all the debris at the moment so we can clear the space so we can start working. So we're doing all of this large courtyard area here right through to the base there where the plants are, and then we're rounding up through here again and again. You can see here some significant organic growth right through the area. Okay, so that's basically the process that we're going to be working through, and I'll be showing you the results at the end. Hey everyone, these are the finished results. So the stone has come up really good. These are just marks actually in the stone, so they're not from a lack of cleaning. The Bluestone's come up really well. The render has come up pretty amazing. The render here, the actual render work is really poor, which is why you can see a lot of residual render that came off in the wash. So, but the Bluestone's come up really good, and at the end of the day the mold and mildew hazard has come off, which is why it's no longer a slip hazard for the folks at this body corporate. So you can see that through here. No, thank you, Wendy. And that's all of this Bluestone here has come up good, almost like new. Now I'll show you these steps because they were pretty bad, if you remember. So we were not tackling the efflorescence off the tile grout, but we were tackling a lot of the organic mold. This building has actually got some serious issues, both with the they're actually looking to take the original builder to VCAT because of a lack of care in the construction phase. So, which is why it's only 5 years old, the building, and they've had numerous issues come out from the build, which is disappointing to say the least. But fundamentally, the Bluestone and the which is what we were here to clean. And also I need to show you the wheelchair ramp. Actually, I forgot to mention that. Was the other area that we worked on, which has come up really good. So if you have a body corporate space or a large space, commercial, industrial or residential, that you need help with so that you can enjoy it again, do give us a call and we're happy to give you a quote. And hope you enjoyed watching the video.